Welcome to the top picks. The best Michelle Kahn nail finds is probably one of the most exciting and innovative collections to hit the market this year, offering a stunning array of products designed to elevate your nail game to professional levels right from the comfort of your home. Whether you're a seasoned nail art enthusiast or just beginning your journey into the world of manicures and pedicures, this storefront promises a treasure trove of high-quality tools, vibrant polishes, and unique embellishments that are sure to inspire creativity and deliver salon-worthy results. Get ready to discover your next favorite nail essential as we dive into what makes Michelle Kahn Nail Finds a must-visit destination for all your beauty needs. Number 5. MelodySusie PC120B Portable Nail Drill. Discover the MelodySusie PC120B, your new go-to for professional nail care at home. This pen-shaped drill makes achieving salon-quality results effortless. Experience the power of 20,000 revolutions per minute in a compact, portable design. It's perfect for all your nail care needs, from polishing to shaping. Say goodbye to tedious gel removal. This electric file makes taking off gel polish quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Designed with beginners in mind, it's incredibly easy to use. Achieve beautiful, smooth nails with confidence, right from your first try. From manicures to shaping and polishing, it handles it all. Elevate your nail game with this versatile and convenient tool. Its portable design means you can maintain perfect nails anywhere. The included AC adapter ensures you're always ready to go. What we like? This electric nail file offers a compact and portable design, making it perfect for at-home manicures. Its powerful 20,000 revolutions per minute motor ensures efficient shaping and polishing. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-use yet effective tool for all your nail care needs, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Great tool to have if you do your own nails. I use it all the time on my hand nails and toes. Cuts down on time, and really cleans up the nails. She goes up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, but I have not needed to go that high. It gets the job done beautifully in low or medium-low settings. It's great to help do a little reshaping of a faux nail on the edges. Easy to remove gel or poly gel off of the nail. It is super durable, the forward and backward spin is great, easy to use in both no dominant hand and dominant hand. It also comes with 6 bits and sanding bands. The range of rotations per minute on this drill are pretty powerful for the price. If it shuts off momentarily while you're using it, it's because of the pressure you're using, not because it's faulty. That's a safety precaution related to the RPM speed in well-made drills so you don't hurt yourself by pressing too hard. If you can't do a particular something with this drill, it might not be the drill itself, but your bit selection and RPM speed. Number 4. TsMADDTs 12 PCS Nail Files and Buffers Kit, Black. Achieve a salon-quality manicure at home with this professional toolkit. It includes everything you need for perfect nail care. These nail files and buffers feature a 100-180 grit combination. This makes them ideal for shaping, smoothing, and buffing your nails to perfection. Crafted for durability, these tools are designed to last. You can rely on them for consistent results with every use. The rectangular design offers a comfortable grip and precise control. It's perfect for detailed nail art and overall nail care. This comprehensive set includes 12 pieces in a classic black color. It's a great value for maintaining beautiful nails. Whether you're a professional or prefer at-home pampering, these tools are a must-have. Elevate your nail care routine with this essential kit. What we like? This comprehensive set provides 12 professional-grade nail files and buffers with both 100 and 180 grit options. They are perfect for shaping and smoothing natural or artificial nails. If you need a variety of tools for precise nail shaping and finishing, this kit offers excellent value and performance. What people say. The filers and buffers work great. The file is sturdy, strong, and sharp. The buffers work just as normal. I'm glad they are different colors because I do my own and my mom's nails and I can assign certain colors to her and myself so we don't mix. The nail files are perfect and seem to be holding up and the buffers work well. The buffer blocks are sturdy, easy to hold, and smooth the nail surface without feeling too harsh. The 100-180 grit files strike a nice balance, strong enough to shape the nail quickly but gentle enough for regular at-home use. Everything feels well made, and having multiple pieces in the set means I can keep a few in different places or replace them as needed. Number 3. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This volcanic stone roller instantly absorbs excess oil, giving you a shine-free, matte finish. It's your secret weapon for a flawless complexion. Keep your makeup looking perfect throughout the day. This tool effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your foundation or concealer. Say goodbye to makeup meltdowns. Refresh your skin anytime, anywhere. Use it on clean skin at home for a quick massage or mattify on the go. Its compact design makes it perfect for your busy lifestyle. Experience a better way to control shine. Made from real volcanic stone, it's reusable and washable, unlike disposable blotting papers. This offers a sustainable and effective solution. Need a quick refresh? The roller balls can be easily swapped with our refill packs, sold separately. This means you can keep using your favorite handle without repurchasing the entire tool. Discover the power of natural volcanic stone. This facial roller is designed to quickly and effectively banish shine, leaving your skin looking and feeling its best. It's a simple yet powerful skincare essential. What we like? This innovative facial roller instantly mattifies your skin by absorbing excess oil without disturbing makeup. Made from real volcanic stone, it's a reusable and eco-friendly alternative to blotting papers. If you struggle with shine throughout the day and need a quick, portable solution to keep your face looking fresh, this tool is a must-have. What people say. This roller instantly absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup, leaving my skin matte and fresh. It's compact, portable, reusable, and washable, an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution for shine control. It works wonders in removing all the oil from my face. It can be used several times and simply needs to be washed with soap and running water when I feel like it no longer works. Number 2. Modelones 15 ml Nail Dehydrator and Primer Kit. Achieve a flawless manicure with our natural prep kit. It effectively dehydrates and primes your nails for optimal polish adhesion. Enjoy a safer nail experience. This formula is acid-free and HEMA-free, making it gentle on your natural nails. Ensure your manicure lasts longer. The dehydrator and primer work together to create a strong bond, preventing lifting. This kit provides the perfect base for your nail enhancements. It ensures a smooth and even surface for acrylics or gels. Get salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. It's an essential part of your acrylic nail supplies for a professional finish. The Modelones 15 ml Nail Dehydrator and Primer Kit is your go-to for a perfect nail foundation. It's designed for durability and a beautiful finish. What we like? This nail prep kit features an acid-free and HEMA-free formula, ensuring a gentle yet effective application. It perfectly dehydrates the natural nail and promotes strong bonding for your enhancements. If you have sensitive nails or are looking for a safer primer option that ensures long-lasting adhesion, this is the product for you. What people say. The dehydrator works instantly. It leaves the nails super dry within seconds, which helps the gel stick way better. Ever since I started using this combo, my manicures last twice as long. No lifting, no peeling at the edges, no chipping. The dehydrator removes oils effortlessly, leaving the nail surface perfectly prepped without drying out the skin. The primer applies smoothly and creates a strong bond that helps the gel X tips adhere securely and last much longer without lifting. Number 1. Beetles Gel Nail Kit Easy Nail Extension Set. Get salon-quality nails at home with this all-in-one gel nail kit. It includes everything you need for easy nail extensions and a fun DIY experience. Experience smart curing with our revolutionary nail lamp. Its sensor technology activates the light when you insert your nail, providing quick and efficient drying for all your nail art needs. This multifunctional glue gel does it all. It works as an adhesive for nail tips, a base gel, blooming gel, rhinestone glue, and even a slip solution. Enjoy a natural and comfortable feel with our pre-shaped nail tips. Crafted for durability and a seamless fit, this set offers 500 tips in 10 different sizes for a perfect match. Achieve break-resistant extensions that last over 21 days. Our upgraded formula ensures your extended nails stay strong and beautiful, giving you confidence for weeks. What we like? This all-in-one gel nail extension kit includes everything you need for a professional-looking manicure at home, including 500 nail tips and a smart UV lamp. The innovative 5-in-1 glue gel acts as a base, adhesive, and more, offering break-resistant results for over 21 days. If you desire salon-quality nail extensions with ease and durability, this kit is designed for you. What people say. No lifting. No problems. No kidding. This is a game changer. I did both hands in under an hour with salon quality results at home. The tips feel sturdy and not flimsy, and the half matte finish helps the gel adhere well. Once they're on, they feel secure and don't lift easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.